What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Thin Flex from Otterbox for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to check out this case. As you know, if you've been to my channel before, I pretty much love Otterbox cases. This is different though. This is the first two-piece case that isn't one piece over another, so this is a pretty complex phone to cover up, but let's check out the box first. On the back you have the normal verbiage about made with more plastic, wireless charging, easy installation, etc., and the antimicrobial shield. The Thin Flex branding on the side, but let's just jump right into this thing. There's definitely more instructions than any other Otterbox I've ever opened up. They want you to put one side on at a time, and then there's just tape. I have to be honest, seeing the tape required for the one side kind of turns me off. I don't like the idea of putting any sort of adhesive on the body of the phone itself. But if the case is of high enough quality, maybe it'll convince me to go the route of the tape. Normal literature that nobody reads. And here's the case itself. Pretty unique packaging. It's got this cardboard on the inside kind of holding the pieces in place. Let's just pull these apart. That's weird. And there you have it. Pretty straightforward. Two pieces for a two-part phone, basically. Let's put this side on here. Hopefully this gets a little bit more rigid once we get it on here. And I have to be honest, I'm not feeling this almost right away. It's probably the most turned off by any Otterbox case I've ever been. It's super flimsy. It does not want to stay at all. They're solely relying on the tape, which I'm not okay with. The other side fits nice and snug. It goes on, no problem. Hinge is pretty exposed on the back. And man, this thing does not want to stay on here, you can tell. I feel like this case should be like their $100 case and be made of metal with some kind of soft touch on the inside. This is a $2,000 phone. You should be expecting to pay, 5-10% of the cost of the phone. But this thing makes me want to take it off right away. It not staying of its own accord without adhesive is not for me. I don't like the idea of having to put glue on it, but let's see how it works. One of the other things I'm noticing is that getting to the corners of the front display is really awkward. You can't help but not feel that. Yeah, and I gotta be honest, I'm instantly turned off by this case. This is not gonna be for me. I can't help but think of what this case might be like if it was made out of metal with some kind of like suede on the inside or something to protect the phone. But anyway, thanks for stopping by and checking out this unboxing with me. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, give me that thumbs down. If you're using this case, let me know in the comments what you think of it. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.